Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down a comparison that freelancers often get curious about: Fiverr versus Toptal. These two platforms serve completely different types of freelancers and clients, so choosing the right one depends heavily on your skills, experience level, and career goals. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing tips, platform reviews, and online earning guides. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the world's largest freelancing marketplaces, where you can offer digital services called gigs. You have complete freedom to create services for writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, marketing, and countless other categories. Fiverr is beginner-friendly, fast-paced, and open to everyone. You don't need prior experience, and you can start earning as long as your gigs are well-made and optimized. Clients on Fiverr are diverse. Some want cheap, quick tasks, while others pay well for premium services. Now, let's talk about Toptal. Toptal is designed for elite professionals and markets itself as a talent network that accepts only the top few percent of freelancers. They focus on highly specialized skills like software development, UI/UX design, project management, and finance. Unlike Fiverr, you can't just sign up and start working. Toptal requires you to pass a strict screening process, interviews, skill tests, and sometimes even live coding challenges. But once you get in, you gain access to high-paying clients, long-term projects, and premium corporate contracts. So, how do the two platforms compare? Fiverr is all about volume, flexibility, and accessibility. You can work whenever you want, create multiple gigs, serve global clients, and handle all kinds of short-term or long-term projects. Toptal, meanwhile, is all about exclusivity, premium projects, and top-tier income. It's perfect for senior professionals who want stable work from established companies willing to pay higher rates. Another difference is how clients interact with freelancers. On Fiverr, buyers browse your gigs, check your reviews, and choose based on your packages. You compete with thousands of freelancers, but your success depends on visibility and value. On Toptal, clients are matched with freelancers after a screening process, so you don't compete the same way. Your profile is presented to high-quality clients who already trust the platform to provide expert talent. So, which one should you choose? If you're new to freelancing, building your portfolio, or offering digital services on your own terms, Fiverr is the better choice. It gives you the freedom to start immediately and build your experience. But if you're an advanced professional with strong technical or design expertise, and you're ready for a rigorous screening process in exchange for elite clients and premium rates, Toptal may be the best platform to elevate your career. If this comparison helped you decide, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing insights and platform breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.